If your home is fully functional but dated, and you don't want to do expensive upgrades because you don't think you will get that money back, then you must listen very closely. Your goal is not to turn your home into a brand new remodeled home. Your goal is to get buyers to fall in love with it, fall in love with the potential, fall in love with the existing wow factors, and then stay in love all the way through inspection and closing. When the buyers see an older home, they don't just see finishes, they assume risk. They think it's old, so something must be wrong with it. So, your job as a homeowner and my job as your realtor is to remove that fear completely. We sell the future. We sell the strong bones of the house. We sell the structure. We sell the layout. And we sell the existing wow factors. We sell what we have. We sell the view. We sell the downstairs in-law suite, multiple fireplaces, multiple bathrooms, high ceilings. We sell what we have now and we sell the potential. It's up to the buyer to make that potential come true. But for the time being, for our sale, the house has to be as close to turnkey and move-in ready as possible with low risk. Most buyers can live with an older kitchen and bathroom if they love the layout, the neighborhood, and the existing wow factors, the things that make your home unique. What scares buyers isn't that the home is dated. What scares them is the risk. They start wondering what might be wrong with the house just because it's a little bit older. And that risk shows up in one place, the inspection report. So your goal is simple. Get them to fall in love with the home as is, with the current condition and the potential of what it can be. And then keep them in love with it all the way through the inspection and the closing. Now, let's do a quick pricing truth. If your home is dated, you usually cannot price it like it's fully remodeled. Pricing is the bait to create demand. Our goal is to create huge demand, and we create that demand by generating traffic to the house. The more of the right people we get through the doors to see the house, the more chances we have to sell the house for a higher value. And we generate that traffic by pricing the house correctly. We generate that traffic through value pricing. So people feel like this is a great deal, and that's how we create the competition. Then our inspection plan keeps them confident in the house's quality so they don't get scared and they don't negotiate you to death. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to walk you through this in two parts. Part one, the pre-listing inspection strategy, what to fix, what to ignore, and how to prevent the inspection from killing the transaction. Then I will show you the bare minimum presentation plan, the simple things we have to do to make a dated home show in its best light without wasting any money. Let's start with the part that protects your price the most. Part one, the inspection plan. A home inspection only costs a few $100s, and it can save you thousands because it shows you exactly what flaws the buyers are going to see when they do their inspection. I call this a must-do pre-listing inspection. It's the winning strategy, especially when your home is older but fully functional. And when you do the inspection and you get the report, do not panic. Most home inspection reports are very long and very scary, even when the home is in a good shape. They are a professional, thorough review of the home. And here's how you're going to read it in 30 seconds. The comments come in 3 different colors, and that's what you pay attention to: green, yellow, and red. Green is the noise, cosmetic notes, minor maintenance issues, monitor this, monitor that. Yellow is negotiables, small corrections, things you can fix or credit depending on timing with minimal cost. Red is the deal risk factors, the items that scare buyers and can potentially kill the deal. Your job isn't to fix everything. Your job is to eliminate the reds, handle the necessary yellows, and ignore the greens. And the fastest way to eliminate the risk is taking care of the reds. Let's call them the big 5. These 5 categories trigger the most fear and the biggest negotiations. And we're going to take care of them ahead of time. Number 1, roof. Don't guess. Get a roof inspection. Many are low cost or sometimes they're free. And they can find easy repairs like broken shingles or flashing issues. And whoever does that work, get a roof inspection report and documentation of the repairs. That paperwork makes a huge difference for buyers' confidence. Number 2, foundation and structural issues. If anything looks questionable, major cracking, movements, don't debate it. Evaluate it so you're not negotiating in the dark. There are professional companies that can handle these type of issues, and I can introduce you to them. Number 3, plumbing and water issues. Fix leaks and water issues. Nothing scares buyers more than water damage or water leak risks because they instantly think big, expensive hidden damages. The easiest way to boost the buyer's confidence and ease the sales process is to install an automatic water leak detection system with remote or auto water shutoff. The entire system is connected to your phone. It can automatically shut off the water if it detects abnormal water flows. And it gives buyers peace of mind, especially in an older home. And you can advertise that. It builds a lot of confidence with them. The damage is always very small if it's detected early. And depending on the insurance company, it can even help lower the insurance costs because it reduces a major risk factor of water damage for the homeowner and the insurance company. Here are just a few examples I found online. You see, they're not very expensive. Talk to a professional plumber to see which one works best for your home. I just think the entire concept is amazing. What you can do to put the buyer's mind at ease. Number 4, electrical and safety. Have the electric panel checked. Correct obvious safety items. Install GFCIs where needed. Fix loose outlets, covers, and anything that's unsafe. And keep the receipts for anything you fix and you replace. It shows your diligence, and it also is a proof of service with the warranty. And again, it puts the buyer's mind at ease that you cared about this home. Number 5, HVAC. If your air conditioning and HVAC system is working, don't leave it vague and just say, we don't have any issues. It's working. Service it and keep the service invoice for certification. That stops buyers from questioning it and from assuming that it will fail right after closing. Now that we have covered the big 5, don't let some of the yellow comments create doubts and turn off the buyers. Items like doors that don't latch, sticky windows, loose doorknobs, running toilets, slow drains, burnout lights, missing smoke detectors. These aren't expensive, but they create the feeling of neglect and that creates doubts. You want buyers to think this home is well maintained, not thinking what else might be wrong with this house. Now that we have handled the inspection risks and we have protected the deal from the inspection surprises, let's talk about the next piece. How to make a dated home feel clean, bright, and cared for. So this is part 2 of what we were going to discuss. The bare minimum presentation. We know we are not remodeling the whole thing, but you still have to do the bare minimum that makes the house presentable. First, deep clean and declutter. A clean home feels well maintained. Next, hire someone to pressure wash the entire exterior and clean the windows professionally. It only costs a few $100s. It removes water stains and shows the house in its best light and makes everything looks crisp and clean. The stucco, the trim, the walkways, roof tiles, and the roof line. When the exterior is clean and the windows are bright, it helps a great deal to sell a house. Clean up the front and the backyard. Take care of the lawn, fresh mulch, trim trees, that type of stuff. Presentation matters a great deal. Buyers decide in 8 to 10 seconds if they love a house and they want to buy it. And that starts from the time they park the car outside and they look at your home. Inside the house, make the home feel bright. Lights, bulbs, simple touch-ups. If you have hardwood or stone flooring and granite countertops, make them look their best. You can polish and professional clean them if needed. And consider 1 or 2 small upgrades only if they're truly dated and if it makes sense financially. Something as simple as a modern kitchen faucet. And finally, to keep the buyers calm and confident, offer a home warranty insurance. It helps buyers feel protected. It doesn't upgrade the home, but it can cover certain major systems and appliances if they break. And that peace of mind helps buyers move forward with the deal. So, if your home is functional but dated and you don't want to do any major upgrades, do the SMART plan. Present it well, do a pre-listing inspection, focus on the big 5, and document the repairs and keep the receipts. Price it with value to create demand, generate traffic, and create competition. And use confidence boosters like a leak shutoff system and a home warranty to keep the buyers calm and happy through the entire transaction. If you want help building the exact plan for your home, you can book a quick call with me. The link is in the description. I look forward to connecting with you. Take care.